Hi guys, welcome back to Jabba 77. Today we're gonna be opening up a poopsie I got for Christmas, Mickey unicorn. I really like this one. It's cute, penguin.
Yeah.
And like,
maybe.
I want one of these because they're ultra.
I probably want this one.
Yeah, that's a rare one. But I got one before, and I got a crocodile or alligator. Okay, so how you open it is you take the plastic off of Poopsie. This is just the cover.
And we're gonna name Mickey slime.
Yeah, because it's a slime thing.
Yeah.
So you take off the plastic.
We might have to make a part 2
because sometimes it stops and we'll just see.
It stops by itself. We don't even
So,
stop it.
It says to unroll here. I think it's for like all the ingredients and stuff.
Yeah.
They're so hard.
Let me try.
Okay, I got it. So unrolling. Ooh. Okay. So this is what we got. We got
the unicorn food.
Unicorn food.
Let me do the next one.
Unicorn magic. The surprise scent and the magic spoon. So that's what's in that. So now let's open up the container. It says to twist that way to unlock and twist this way. So we need to twist that way. Okay. First bag, let's open up and see. The golden. See what it is. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, I think it might be the penguin. I don't know. It's a little cup, I think, to make this stuff. That way. We got We got this bag. Oh, I know which one this is. Oh my god, this is the icy cup. So cool. Okay, so I think that we might wait. Oh, unicorn bling. Oh, we got a super one. Oh my gosh, we got a rare one. Oh my god, we got a rare one. We got a rare one. We got a unicorn bling. That's like the foil. Okay, you really. Oh my god, so cool. We got the penguin! Yes! We got the penguin!
Because it says ice. Because this is an icy.
And we got unicorn bling. Oh my god.
Okay, let's.
Oh my god, super ultra. This one's it's regular, but that's okay. Oh my god, wait, stop for a sec. Stop for a sec. Oh my god. We got the super ultra rare. We got bling. My god. Oh,
I'm gonna drink out of.
Okay, so let's put it there. This is my first time ever getting like a really rare one. Not rare, but so cool. It might, if it stops, there's gonna be a part 2.
Because sometimes. I opened it.
Yeah, it looks like that. Why is it not opening?
Ew, it smells bad.
Okay, I got it.
It smells good.
Oh my god.
This smells so good.
It looks so cute.
Wait, I don't see you now.
You open the bottom to store slime.
Yeah.
I can't believe we actually got the penguin.
So good.
I was saying I hope we get the penguin, and we actually did. Oh my god, that's
smell it. So good.
Yeah. Okay, let's read the instructions. See how to make the slime.
I got the ingredients here. So I feel like first is gonna be the one.
Well, not yet. Leave everything alone. We need to read. So, first thing, it's gonna come with everything. Okay, open your bottle. Open up your bottle. Open your bottle. Okay. So, number 1. Remove the lid from the included bottle. We did that. 2. Fill the measuring cup to the fill line marked 15 millimeters with water and pour it into the bottle. Then fill and repeat one more. Okay.
So we're gonna
we need to fill this up to the 15 millimeters. So let's go.
I'm gonna be waiting here. This is so cute. I mean, like, look, it's a little penguin with. I feel like this is a horn. Yeah, I think it is. Smells so good.
What did you get?
We got an ultra rare.
So cute.
It's a rare. We got rare.
Are you making the video?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Make sure it's the right amount.
Okay. So we got 1 cup.
And let's put it in.
Then we need 1 more cup. So we'll be right back.
Bye-bye. This one's a girl. As you can see with the eyelashes. This one's so cute. Oh, this one's so cute. Well, hello, Olivia.
Got another one. So now let's pour it in. Okay.
Now
So that's 30 millimeters. And then add 5 drops of the surprise scent. This is the surprise scent. So, so on the penguin, we have 2. On the penguin, there are, we got Antarctica. We got, we could either get cherry and vanilla or raspberry. I think this is cherry and vanilla.
yeah.
I'm gonna smell it to make sure.
It's definitely vanilla.
That one's a cool slime.
It's definitely cherry vanilla.
Oh, our slime could be blue or red.
Mm. I hope it's blue.
So hard.
You
Oh,
need
it's a
a-
little hamster.
Oh, like a Fanta.
This is the one I got last time.
Oh, there it is.
Kakada. That's the one I got last time. It's so hard to open this.
That's a Popeyes bottle.
Yeah.
Open it on here so if it falls out.
No, it's kept on. Wow, it's really hard.
Let me try.
I can't believe we actually got the penguin. That is just a coincidence.
Mm.
I'm like, I hope we get the penguin, and then we're like, oh my god, we got the penguin. I really like it. It's like glittery.
I know, and it smells so good.
You can guys smell it.
It smells